Today is November 5th, 11/5, and our title is Treasure Chest. Treasure Chest. Okay, let's get our book open here. I'm going to be turning my book horizontally again today so that I have enough room for my drawing. Okay, let's move this up so you can see it. 11-5. And here we go. We're going to start with a foreshortened rectangle today. It's the same way as you make a foreshortened square. It's just going to be a little bit longer. So you put 2 dots on each side. You're going to go above just a little and below just a little, and then connect those dots. What you've created is a foreshortened square. Okay, we're going to bring it down on the left, straight down, down on the right, straight down, and down in the middle, straight down, and just a little bit longer than those other two. Okay, here to here, connect. Here to here, connect. And then you should go ahead and erase any lines or marks that you don't need. So say if you have some dots hanging out left over, go ahead and get rid of those, okay? So I'm getting rid of those. There we go. Okay, don't want to see those. We've got rid of them. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to make the top of this treasure chest because it's going to be open when we find it. So at this corner, I'm going to make an angled line going up like this. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the same exact thing at the same angle. And when I connect at these points, do you see how this is going this way? So is this. Okay, so you're just creating that. You've just opened that up is what you've done. Okay, at this point and this point, I'd like you to go ahead and curve it back. Just a little curve there. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to attach that to the other side. So say this is coming up and the curve is coming off. It's like, see how it's coming off? Go ahead and continue that and then curve it right there on the edge. Okay, so basically you've just curved this and you're bringing it back down to right here and you're attaching it right to that curve. You need the curve inside of here as well, which is going to be partially hidden by the lid. Okay, let's go ahead and add some details to give this some more, make it look more like a treasure box, let's put it that way, treasure chest. So we need a horizon line in the back. Okay, and let's go ahead and make a band around it that we can put the lock on. So I'm going to create a line here and here that lines up with this line right here. I'm going to start at this point and I'm going to follow this line. I'm going to angle it this way, just like that, and the bottom too. Okay, so now you've just created a band. Let's create an oval within that band. Small oval or a circle, and then let's make the keyhole, which is just round with a triangle underneath it. Okay, it looks kind of like a little person. Alright, so there's the keyhole. Let's do some shading, solid shading along this band all the way across, and let's erase what we don't need. Make sure you clean it up nicely. Okay, and what I'm going to put in here is I'm going to bring this corner down just a little bit, right about there, and I'm going to attach a line to that, like that, as an angle, and right there. So there's the inside of the box. I'm going to shade this all black. Completely black on the inside. Okay. And I'm going to put a spider web in the corner up here. So all that is some diagonal lines coming off. And then you curve the lines inside of it and just keep curving it. Curve, curve, curve right inside of it. Okay. And a couple flies coming out maybe. Put some swirls. Are coming out. So this treasure chest was bust. We did not find anything in this treasure chest. Let's add a cast shadow and we'll be done. It's coming from this way. Angle it and attach it right to the edge of this box. Just like that. Okay? And there's your cast shadow. So, I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. Make sure that you add your horizon line and all of the details, including the lock, the flies, the spider web. Don't forget your cast shadow, your solid shading here along the band. Okay, and don't forget to line up those angles. Okay, if this is going this way, just move your pencil down and check how it lines up. Okay, make sure they're all following the same angle.